Okay, here we go. We're going to put a lens assembly in a sd1100 Canon. Take the case apart. Don't worry about the screws. It has two little short ones on each side and two long ones on the bottom, so they're not very hard to keep separated. These are pretty easy cameras to work on. Make sure you take the battery out of this before you take it apart. They're pretty easy to snap, just like that. Front half pops off. Take out this little screw. And that just falls off. This one holds the LCD. Unhook the power to the LCD. Come around here. Pop this little clasp up real gentle. And pull that out. And it's got tape right here. And pop that loose. Pop that one loose. And then you pop that one loose. Turn it back over. Take these little retainers off. Just like that. Then you take these two little screws out here and they hold the flash assembly on them. And you have to wear gloves. Most videos on YouTube don't show them wearing gloves. It hurts the electronics and it can shock the crap out of you. This is pretty simple though. Got 4 little screws here. And they are not the same size as the ones in that flash assembly. They're longer and they're rough thread to go into plastic. Those are machine threads. Pop this little sensor out of there. We got a good used one right here. We're up here. Pop that little guy back in his spot. Set her down in there. And bolt her back up. Keep the little screws all straight here. Pretty simple. This is my first video, so have to be patient. I'll get better. And not so shaky. Guess I'm camera shy. Put the LCD back in it. Gotta put these back on. There's a right and a left. The right one's got a short arm and the left one has a long arm. Screw back in it. I'm not supposed to use metal tweezers, but I've been doing it so long I'm pretty good at it. I probably put in 2,000 of these in these kind of cameras. You definitely don't want to touch this board with your bare fingers. It may work for a while, but it'll start having problems. The first thing to go out of them is the flash won't work. Then they'll stop focusing. all kinds of good stuff. Basically they're junk. Okay, got it all put back together. Got all the stuff hooked back up, push down. Got the power thing. If it comes on and your screen don't power up, that means you forgot to plug that in. Don't hurt nothing. Turn it off and plug it in. We'll put the battery in it. There we go. Okay. Works like a top. Yeah, like a brand new one. And remember, when you put your back case in, to flip your switch up and hold that little switch when you snap that corner in, and you won't have no problems. Because if you get that wrong, you can break this switch, or it won't work when you turn the thing. Thank you.